Want to create awesome ads for your store in just a few clicks? Let me show you how. First, let's pop in our product name and price. We're selling a GreenGlow Solar Lantern for just $45, down from $99. Now for the fun part. Instead of a regular sale, let's choose a loyalty discount to make our best customers feel special. We'll set the urgency to low while supplies last to add a little nudge. Next, pick a visual style. There are so many to choose from, but let's go with bold and energetic for this one. Ready for some magic? Let's hit Generate Promotional Visual. The AI is now cooking up something amazing for us. Just give it a few seconds. And boom, look at that. A professional eye-catching ad ready to go. But what if you want more options? No problem. Let's go back and click Generate All Styles. This is where things get really exciting. The AI will create a version of our ad for every single style available. And just like that, all 6 styles are done. Let's take a look. We have a clean, modern look, a super bold and energetic one, an elegant and premium design, a playful and fun cartoon style, a professional version, and even a cool vintage retro look. All of these incredible designs were made instantly with PricePop AI, which is powered by Nano Banana, Google's newest and most powerful image AI. You can even see your past creations and reload the settings with one click.